Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I do this pink eye look with a little bit of glitter, and if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I primed and I set my eyes, and now the first color we'll be going with is a blush color, and it's this one right here, and that is in the color Savvy, and that's from the Love Your Selfie Pure Minerals palette. And then the next color we'll be using is this color right here, and that is in the color Filter. And then I'm gonna add some Bare Minerals loose eyeshadow powder into my inner corner, and this is in the color Starlight. It's this one. And I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. And then for eyeliner, I'll be using the e.l.f. liquid liner in the color Jet Black. And then we'll curl a little bit of our eyelashes. And then I'm gonna add 2 coats of my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Great Lash Blackest Black. And then for our bottom lashes, we'll be going with this black color right here. And that's in the color Closeup. And then to that, I'll add a little bit of that blush color we used earlier. And then I'll add 2 coats of the same mascara I used earlier to our bottom lashes. And then to bronze our face, I'll be using the Sephora MicroSmooth Baked Bronzer Duo in the color Honey Heat. And then for highlight, I'll be using a Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter Powder in the color Radiant Lights. And then for lips today, I'll be using a Borghese lip gloss in the color Petalo. And then to finish our makeup, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And here is the finished look. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.